The projects page is where a user will see all of the projects that they have created, or that they have been invited to. A project is usually a cohesive way of containing and logging all emission-related data in one establishment, such as the company. A project name is normally the company's name, but if the company is large enough, this could be the name of the department or a subsidiary company. Either way, each project will span 1 year from its starting date and have two statuses: in progress or complete. A project can be edited if its status is in progress and cannot be edited if its status is complete. To create a project, you can click the New Project link in the sidebar. Once loaded, you can type in a name for the project, a description, and the starting date. For example, if I wanted to create an emissions report for the company Acme for 2020, I would give the project a name of Acme and a description of Acme Corp emission data for 2020, and then give it a start date of April. A project lasts for 1 year from its start date. It should also be noted that a project does not have to line up with the financial year, although it may be easier to manage if they do. Once you are satisfied with the inputs provided, you can click Create. This will create the project and redirect you to the Getting Started page. For now, scroll down the page and click Exit Project. This will return you to the list of projects that you have. You should see the new project that you've just created here, including the access level that you have, the project status, the ownership status, and the starting date. In the second column, you'll either see the letter C or the letter I. This dictates the level of ownership you have to a project. Either you are the project creator, denoted by the letter C, or you have been invited to the project, denoted by the letter I. There are 3 levels of access for a project: admin, edit, and user. Admins have full access to the project. They can invite and revoke access to others and can update any element of the project. They are also the only access tier that have permissions to update the status or delete the project. Edit level users have access to change any of the data on the project, but do not have the rights to invite other users, change the overall status of the project, or delete the project. Finally, basic users only have access to the overview and reports page, whereby they can view the information on the page without being able to update, add, or remove anything. Clicking on the green arrow will open the project and allow you to view the data inside of it. By default, it will open the overview page. This is where you will see all your data visualized in charts. Scrolling down, the Invite User tab is where you can invite colleagues and collaborators to contribute and view your project. Clicking on Invite User, you will see the project name and fields to input the name, email address, and select the access level for the user you would like to invite. Clicking Invite User will notify the individual with an email. If the user does not have an account, they will be prompted to create one, and the project will automatically be added to their account once they have activated it. In the Manage User tab, you will see a table of all of the current users that have access to the project. You can view their first and last name, email address, company, and current access level. To edit the access level of one of the invitees, you can click on the pen icon in the first column. This will open a dialog that you can use to change the access level of another user. Clicking Confirm will change this instantly. Additionally, you can also send the user a reset password link from this page. If the user has not finished setting up their account, they will receive the activation email once again.